How to fix your Wi-Fi of Windows 11 that it is not connecting to a 5 GHz network. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact troubleshooting steps in case your Wi-Fi driver is refusing to connect or is unable to connect from a 5 GHz network, especially from your router. So in order to do this particular troubleshooting, we'll be first going to the taskbar and search for device manager. So this is the device manager. Simply click onto this device manager and you will see an interface like this. Now within this interface you have different types of devices which are responsible for connection, and upon that you have this network adapters listed right here. So in case you can't see it, so you will need to click onto this arrow and you will see all of the network adapters. Now from here, this is the actual network adapter or your Wi-Fi card, which is also known as the wireless LAN card. So as you can see in my case, this is the MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 MT7921. So what I'm going to do is simply right click onto this. Also, if you are not able to see this, make sure that you go to the view and from here, choose this option which says show hidden devices. Now, moving back, simply right click onto this and click onto the properties. Now within the properties, you can see the advanced option. So click onto this advanced tab and from here, you can see this option that says preferred band. So from here, make sure that this value is selected, which is prefer 5 gigahertz band. And also if you will go to the 5 gigahertz bandwidth, make sure that this value is set to auto and is not set to 20 megahertz only. And also make sure that for the 2.4 gigahertz as well, this value is set to auto. So once committing these three changes, you can simply click on to apply or OK button and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.